Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. Virgos, we are picking these cards and I'll be picking one card from the oracle guidance, guys. So that will be a general guidance. It may clear your doubts or confusions you have. And I'll be picking one card from these love messages. That will be the message your person wants to tell you, Virgos. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies, guys. We have Moon in reverse, Nine of Spheres in reverse, and Hierophant. So Virgos, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are maybe indulging in something, maybe in some habits. This may be your energy or your person's energy. And maybe you're obsessed with certain things and that is affecting you a lot. Maybe obsessed with certain habits or certain things that you do, or certain thoughts or some belief or ideologies, and this obsession is affecting you a lot and you feel really stressed because you are unable to do anything else properly. Because of that, you are unable to handle your work situation or your relationship in a proper way, and you feel the consequences in your situation and that is stressing you a lot. You feel really disappointed and sad because of this. It may be your energy or this person's energy, guys. So they may have these habits or obsession troubling them a lot and they are behaving in a very, explosive manner. They are simply reacting. They are irritated and angry maybe for some reason. Maybe these habits are worrying them a lot. They are trying hard but they cannot overcome these addictions and they feel really stressed because of that, or sad because of that, disappointed because they are unable to control these habits they have. And they really feel guilty, guys, because they are unable to overcome this situation on their own and they are powerless, they feel. And that is the reason for their disappointment. So however hard they are trying, they are unable to make a positive change in their situation. They feel powerless today, guys. And maybe in your situation, guys, there is someone you never expected this, but this person is here to help you. Maybe you never expected this side of this person and they are coming out of the way, maybe lend their hand, support for you, give you direction in your life. So you were never close to them, but this person is coming right out of their way to help you in this difficult times, guys. So you can trust this person. This may be the person you love, or this may be someone from your family, your friend circle, someone you were not very close with, but you know that they are a kind and compassionate person today because of the way they are relating with you, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is your oracle guidance. It is exchanging gifts. So this guidance, it just means that this oracle guidance just means that you need to be open to accept the blessings that you are getting and be able to give or gift that other person with the same kind of gifts or same kind of blessings today, guys. So you need your heart to be open and allow it to fill with grace and happiness today, and there is love in your situation and it is waiting to flourish, and there is abundance flowing between you both. So, and again, this card also means that whatever you are giving is what you are getting, guys. So you need to always give the positive things to everyone in our situation, so we will receive only positive things again from them. So that is the energy with this card, guys, Virgos. Let's see what is the love message for you all, the message from your person. So it says, you can make me better when I'm feeling down. So this person sees you as their inspiration, or you see them as your inspiration, and you feel really happy to be with them, guys, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.